Hey y'all, I'm Hadley, and I'm going to be teaching you how to white balance while you're editing. Maddie has already done this with the camera, which is just a button that y'all are press, like this or like this, depending on what camera you're using. For editing, it's not as simple, but it's not completely complicated. But you do have to go through a few steps, and I will help you through that. Just like any other effect on a video, you'll click Effects at the top, then go to Video Effects. As usual, you'll click and drag the effect to the clip you want it on. On your computer, you might have the option of color correction, which might be a bit easier for you, but don't rely on that. After you drag the effects you want the clip on, double click on it, and then there should be a box that shows up in the top left. In that box, you'll finally see the white balance, and then you can mess around with the coloring. And then that's going to be all for you. I hope that helped, and goodbye. Thanks for watching.